How do you feel? How about this? Is it cool?
It's really cool.
Come on, the sunrise today, Emma.
Amazing!
Amazing! I see that my light on my car is like flickering. I was like, shit, this is not good. Emma, where are we going?
To Setenil de las Bodegas.
Okay, something.
To
What is it that is? Why should we go there?
it's like, I think it's like the village is built into the mountain and stones. So in some parts of the village, stones like hang over like a roof, so you go under the stones and everything.
We will
So
see.
It looks like it's cute.
Yeah,
So,
it looks cool on the pictures.
yeah, and it's nice weather, so
Yes.
let's have a nice day here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How do you feel?
Yeah, I'm
Yes.
excited.
You're
It
excited?
seems super cool on the pictures.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's gonna be fun.
Vamos.
Vamos.
Vamos!
Setenil de las Bodegas, a hidden gem in the heart of Andalusia, is famous for its unique whitewashed houses built into massive rock overhangs. This charming town, with its narrow streets and stunning cliffside views, was once a strategic location during the Moorish rule. The name Setenil comes from the Latin septem nihil, meaning 7 times nothing, referring to the town's strategic position during the Roman era. Today it's a peaceful escape, offering a glimpse into the Spain's rich history, breathtaking landscapes, and the laid-back beauty of life tucked under the rocks.
How do you feel about this? Was it cool?
It's really cool. It's fascinating.
What did you talk about? You talked about that?
The plants hanging from the rock.
Wanna go like
Tarzan, yeah. Jump from this side to the other.
Yeah. Become the Tarzan. So this one. Ooh. Nice. This is something pretty cool. Ooh. Yeah. Very cool. Hi. Hi. Hola. Hola. Hej.
Vad ser mer så ser ut så här?
Det är en hund det där.
Ja, kanske.
Wow.
Nicky, lägg dig ner. Nej, lägg dig.
Han bara bryr sig inte.
Lägg gå. Nej, ner.
So it's not always sunshine when you park on a place. So we were parked here and I just park and I'm flying my drone and I see that my light on my car is like flickering. I was like, shit, this is not good because I do not want to run out of electricity tomorrow when I'm gonna leave this place. So we started to like search for what's wrong. Now it is a little mechanic area here. So, what we did first, we searched for the... What's it called? Vad kallas försäkring på engelska? Huh? Fuse. So we searched for the fuse inside the car. Wasn't the correct one for the headlight, for the big one. And I saw in the instruction manual that it's supposed to be in the engine. So I removed the fuse inside here. And the light went crazy. It was like, I was like, shit, what is going on? We have removed it. So what we did, I followed, apparently my light is a light that is not, it's like an extra, after the car have been built, they have extra montaged it in my car. So then we realized that, oh, it should have an extra like... And vad heter relä då? Relay? Do you say that for this? That it should have an extra relay for the light. Remove that and it looked terrible. So I removed it. Thank you for my father, to my father, because he gave me this before I left Sweden. So I was like, and I also had some like oil for my contact. Now it's almost like new. Let's hope it will work now, because I cannot run out of the electricity during the night. That will be a disaster not to be able to start the car tomorrow. How cozy don't you have it, Emma? Are you cozy?
Yeah.
Do you have a blanket?
No.
Do you want a blanket?
I would love gloves, a heat blanket because it gets cold.
It's cold.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me know if you want a normal blanket, because I can only offer you a normal blanket.
Yeah.
And Elias. Ay, ay, ay. Oh.
Ah,
You look like a little. You're not straight. You like.
Oh.
Maybe you should turn around, because the other side is like higher.
then I can't see the sunset.
Oh.
Ah,
Yes, you can.
This is better.
Better.
The moon is beautiful.
The what?
The moon.
You see the moon?
Yeah, just straight ahead.
Ah. There it
I can see Emma too.
is.
Hey.
Yes, you
Oh.
can see each other.
Fantastic.
What a lovely spot. I also have a hängmatta. What does it called? I don't know. You look you look like you are having an amazing time over here.
Yeah, it's very nice. It's beautiful. But I would like to have a string so I can swing.
Yeah, you should be able to swing.
Speciellt ikväll inte. Eller förutom de där sommarna.
Come on, the sunrise today, Emma.
Amazing!
Amazing! Wow. Oh, det var kisspaus. It's a little pee stop. I mean the sunrise. How insane. This is why we do what we do, isn't it?
It's amazing.
Amazing. Amazing. Wow, the colors. It's just stunning. Oh, I get so excited when I see the sunrise like this. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Oh la la.
Wow.
Wow, wow, wow. I made us some tea.
Ooh,
Yes.
very nice.
I am up early, you know.
What a good surprise.
I know.
Pussy.
Wow. Holy macaroni. Jesus. Oh, beautiful. Okie dokie. Now I'm in Sevilla. Sevilla and leaving my car for a little tour.
Sevilla is famous for its breathtaking architecture, and this is my third time visiting.
Okay, var ska vi nu då? I think we should go up. So
Yet, I am still in awe every time I come here. This time, having my new bicycle with me has allowed me to explore even more of the city, making my van life experience that much more exciting and rewarding. I've discovered that it's something really special about discovering a city on two wheels. And just soaking in, the beauty of Sevilla from a new point of perspective.
Sjörövar. 7 sjösjuka sjömän. Är det man säger?
Ja.